Okay, welcome guys to Blender. So we're going to be making a small coffee table today. So let's begin by changing out the Eevee to cycles up on the render engine. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, take this default cube, scale this down. So this is going to be like just a tiny little coffee table kind of thing. Let's go ahead, put the material on right here. So we want black for this particular one. What I'm going to do, let's go make some legs for this as well. So Shift D, we can make this one into legs. So we could go ahead, scale this down just here, scale it up. And then all we need to do is, let's go 7 to heaven real quick. And what I'm going to do is, let's go X-ray mode, G, bring this across just onto the side right here. Shift D, bring this across down here, and then select these two legs that we've just made and Shift D, bring them across onto the opposite side. So we now should have a nice little table going on. This could kind of like be a little piece within a scene. Let's go add, and I'm going to go plane, S for scale. It's just a little basic table that you can make for your project. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.